It's 2:27 in the morning. I leave in like 30 minutes. I'm going to Paris. I could not be more excited. I also am so tired. But I'll be just fine. I am excited. We made it in the Uber. Say hi, everybody. What time is it?
It's 3:17.
It's 3:17, and we are so out of here.
Okay,
our Uber clocked 101 miles an hour on the way here, but we made it to the airport. Say hello, team. Zoe and I got some sandwiches that we can eat.
He's literally
Do you want that in the vlog?
Dude, literally look at him.
Yeah, we found 2 sandwiches we could eat and they were really delicious.
They were just crazy. And then I got a Coke.
He's a good father, bro.
And we got cappuccino.
And
we shared the cappuccino.
We did share.
It's great.
Because we have the same allergy.
Dude.
So we're sharing our hear me outs. What time is it?
It's 5 a.m. on the dot. Sonic the Hedgehog.
We're going on 40 minutes of sleep. All right. Hear me out. Lloyd and Lord Garmadon.
They are related.
Like father, like son.
Like father.
What else did I say? The water from Moana.
Real.
Waluigi.
Yeah.
Wario. He's bad. That's not even the Onceler.
The map from Dora.
The map from Dora.
What?
That's what it was. The map from Dora.
Okay.
So excited. You guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes.
I eating apple.
The Palace of Versailles.
Dude, it's not covered in scaffolding.
We're so used to Rome being covered in scaffolding because of the Jubilee. We're actually there. We're at the Palace of Versailles. We made it. What do you think, Laura?
I think it's beautiful.
What are your thoughts?
I think it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
I think it's bright.
What era is this? Is it Baroque?
Yeah.
No.
I think
it's Renaissance.
I think
I
Renaissance.
Renaissance?
Okay, yeah, because Baroque would be more dramatic.
Right.
Probably.
And there
But
wouldn't
we'll
be
have
as
to see the
much
inside.
geometry.
We'll have to see the inside.
We had to
know
see
if
the
it's Baroque.
inside.
That's so true.
I'm so excited.
Also,
I hope
look at
it's
those
Baroque.
capitals, okay? All Corinthian, they all match, so it might not be Baroque, it might be Renaissance.
Oh, it is Corinthian.
Baroque would probably
Look at
just
these
be like-
Corinthian columns.
Ionic.
One's actually upside down now.
Another column. Gigantic order.
Three columns
Combine
in one
all
space.
the columns into one.
Not necessarily.
Composite. Go. My favorite pictures of yours. each individual brick. What's doing it? No, literally. No. So we finally found a restaurant. The first place did not work
No, it didn't.
with our allergies. So we're now here. Say hi to the vlog, everybody. Look, it even is on the ceiling. But Delia and I have a timer going.
Oh yeah.
We just
We're so ready.
took a bite. I'm gonna wait a few minutes.
Hey, they had the allergen menu.
They did have an allergen menu, but there was a discrepancy.
I believe, yeah, I believe.
Look at Annie's special talent. We're headed to the boat tour and guess what's in front of us? Guess what's in front of us? The Eiffel Tower! It's the Eiffel Tower! No, focus. Oh my god, focus. Do not split the pole.
I'm doing the same thing Bella did with it. It's right behind me. It's right behind
Right
me.
behind me, isn't it?
We actually are broke. It's so much more beautiful in person than any picture could ever.
There actually is. Stop.
So glad you can come visit.
So glad we can visit.
Yeah, you can see the
Look at that mansion over there.
A la derecha, el Museo de Orsay dedicado.
We are on a cruise. So come aboard and bring on all your hopes and dreams. Sanctuary. This.
I guess it's probably it takes a lot of work to change that.
It's the next day. We just got sandwiches at Subway because they're safe food for our allergies. So we're gonna go pick out our spots where we want our art in 10 years. In the Louvre. Paris! I love Paris! I love Paris! Oh, there she is. Over there. I am so excited. Always, yeah. high school.
Yeah.
The Cyclads knew how to do it. They knew how to do it. They know how to do it well.
Okay, wow, Mike.
We just got done with the Louvre. The Louvre. And now we're gonna go to a photography exhibition that one of my professors recommended. And it's gonna be great. We're also gonna try to go to an allergy-safe crepe place.
So I can have yummy allergy-safe crepes.
Yes, it's so nice to travel with someone who has the same allergies. We have crepes.
Dude, our allergy-safe crepes, and they're so good.
They are so good, and we're eating them here. And the Eiffel's over there. I'm really proud of us.
We're having a sweet treat.
We're having a sweet treat, and that's
Finally.
so rare. We made it to a gallery, the gallery my professor recommended. It's so nice.
Thousand species of fly that bloom every year.
This all day long, now I feeling that you want to show. I can't believe how much it thrills me on just to be holding. I won't cry, no I won't shed tears just as long as you stay still bound. Thank you so much.
You're amazing. Do you want to be in my vlog? What's your Instagram?
I do opera singing here in Paris.
Amazing.
Yeah.
the pain. The only thing is me. Where they became the sweetest phrase of everyone that knows goes away. You could have it all. Woo! Empire of day. I won't let you down. I won't let you down.
We're at the Paris Christmas market.